trying to learn how to master your Cricut machine alone, weeding through search results instead of weeding your vinyl? Or lost trying to understand the Design Space software without wanting to throw your computer and your machine out the window? Take back your time and your joy by grabbing a free ticket to the biggest Cricut learning event of the year, the 4th Annual Cricut Craftfest, which will take place from February 24th to February 28th. I'm Abby, a professional crafter who has 13 years of experience teaching over 500,000 fans how to fall in love with their Cricut machines and master new projects and materials. Now, it's your turn. Whether you're a total beginner who hasn't even cracked the box yet, or an intermediate crafter who is wanting to play with a new project, the Cricut Craftfest will unlock fresh realms of creativity. When you claim your free ticket, you get to learn from the top Cricut pros who have been there and made that, with 40 plus never-before-seen workshops teaching you the skills you need to see projects come to life, like handmade gifts, home decor, DIY cards, decorations for special occasions, or even the ability to master a craft that starts a small business. Our pre-event kicks off on Saturday, February 22nd, where you can join me for a live craft tech talk hour and set yourself up for maximum success during the event. Then, the main summit starts on Monday, February 24th and runs until Friday, February 28th, with 8 to 9 brand new, never-before-seen workshops dropping each morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, to view for free until the following day at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Project templates, worksheets, and supply lists are included. Plus, you can join the event Facebook group for ongoing support from the speakers, fellow attendees, and of course myself. The Cricut Craftfest is completely free during the week of the event. For now, all you need to do is enter your name and your email below this video to claim your free ticket, and I'll send you all the event details right to your inbox. Look for my name, Abby Kirsten, and make sure to add my email to your email contact list so you don't miss when all of the workshops drop the week of the event. I can't wait to see your creativity come to life this year. It's time to craft with joy and confidence. I'll see you there, my friend. Bye for now.